ABN and PRR College of Science, Kovur. Welcome to online classes, 4th semester Communication Soft Skills by G. Vijay Kumar, lecturer in English. Now we discuss about formal letters. Part 2, formal letters, business letters and official letters. Formal letters, a business executive has to correspond with his head office or branch offices, his customers, other business firms, and government departments. The customers in turn write letters to business firms making enquiries and placing orders for goods, articles, etc. Likewise, an administrative officer has to correspond with other officials, send circulars, memoranda, notices, etc. In these situations, a formal or business letter is written. Modern constructions, builders and suppliers of building materials, Lakshmipuram, Guntur 522009. Date 12th August 2016. The Chief Engineer, Road and Buildings, Government of Tamil Nadu, Chennai 5. Dear Sir, with reference to your call for sealed tenders for the construction of government guest houses in Ramantapuram and Tiruvalneli in the Hindu dated 2nd August 2016, we offer to construct them according to your specifications. We have been engaged in construction activity for the past 8 years. We constructed the buildings for the head office of Dhanashree Bank Limited at Chennai and for their branches in the state of Tamil Nadu. This is only to tell you that we are experienced builders. Our sealed tender is enclosed herewith. We assure you quality and timely completion of the work and request you to consider our offer favorably. Thanking you, yours faithfully, B.S. Rao, for modern constructions. The second letter is Geetham University of Medical Sciences, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Some /180 11 15, date 4th January 2015. The principal, Dhanvantri Medical College, Anantapur. Sir, subject, visit by University Committee to Dhanvantri Medical College to consider affiliation regarding. Reference, your letter number UA22/14, dated 6th September 2014. Following your request for university affiliation, the University Executive Council, in its meeting held on 2nd January 2015, decided to send a committee of experts and officials to visit your college and to examine the buildings, labs, library, hostels, and other facilities of your college. The committee will submit their report to the university after their visit. According to the procedure, the matter of affiliation will be decided on the basis of the committee's report. It is likely that the visit will be sometime in the second week of February. This is for your information. Thank you. Yours sincerely, Registrar. Now we discuss a formal letters. First one, heading. Heading or writer's address. Many business houses or administrative offices have their own letterheads. The heading which is on the top of the page. Once again I repeated, heading or writer's address. Many business houses or administrative offices have their own letterheads. The heading which is on the top of the page. And the second one, the receiver's address. In a personal letter, it is not necessary to write the receiver's address inside the letter, but in a formal letter, it is necessary to mention the receiver's address. Third one, the salutation and the subscription. In business or official letters, the usual forms: salutation, dear sir, dear sirs, madam, dear Mukherjee, and subscription, yours faithfully, yours truly, yours sincerely. The body of the letter of formal letters. Unlike a personal letter, an official letter should be up to the point. The message should be conveyed in a clear and courteous style. There is no need for personal pleasantries in an official letter. The message in the body of the letter may be divided into 2 or more paragraphs, depending on the nature and extent of the message. The paragraphs are not indented if no punctuation is used in the heading, date, salutation, and subscription. And the last one is the signature. As the business or official letter is formal in nature, the writer has to put his full signature. The name of the writer is also written clearly or typed below the signature. Thank you very much.